guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Nicole and I'm so happy you clicked on this video. This video is going to be an unboxing video of this bad boy. Yeah, not the box. So I got the Yves Saint Laurent, what's it called? Wow, it's the Monogramme envelope wallet. So I guess unboxing, here it is. So I just took this off. It has this little card on it, but we'll get into that later because y'all want to see this. And here it is. It comes in this protector bag, and here it is. So pretty. Thumbnail pic. So guys, this feels so amazing. Like the leather on it, it's just like, it's a thick leather. It's not like one of those thin ones. So I know this is definitely good quality, and it's super simple, and I like it. I like the size because I can take it on its own, or I can slip it. I have a backpack for work, so I can easily slide this onto my backpack, or if I want to carry my my regular Michael Kors tote bag that I use, I can slip this in there. It is so pretty. It has this pocket up here. Has this pocket up here where you can put stuff, and then once you open, there's nothing on the back. Once you open it, here is how the inside looks like. The inside does have it has the Saint Laurent logo right here. Says Saint Laurent Paris, made in Italy. And then you have a little pocket. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you have a little pocket in there. And then on this side, like, I don't know if you guys can see, but on this side down here, it has the number, like I guess it's the model number for this bag. So that is for authentication or authenticity purposes. So you can tell this is authentic because of that. So yeah, it's super simple. I think it's a good small leather good. If you are unsure about designer items, I think this is a great start. And I like that the YSL here, it's not visible. I love designer goods, but I don't like flashy designer goods. So I don't like stuff that's showing the logo so people can know what you're wearing, you know. I just really like it because of the quality. So I'm so happy that I got this. I was actually looking into getting a wallet or the Kate crossbody bag. I'll insert a picture for you guys to see. I think that's what I'm gonna get next from Yves Saint Laurent. So this is just so pretty. Y'all see that? Like, look at these. Like, it's so pretty. Just a quick disclaimer, you see me struggling with this because my finger was still busted and messed up. I had just gotten my stitches removed. Little card pouch comes like this. Says Saint Laurent on it, and in here, oh my gosh, there's so many things. In here it says Saint Laurent Paris, and it has the product stuff. It talks about, it just tells you how to maintain and preserve your product in this, and it has it in all the different languages. Once again, here is the item number. It says contrôler, so it has the item number on it. What's this one? Oh, and then this is just another one that's, I think it's a warning about the RFID stuff. So there's that. And this is the certificate of authenticity. You can see it right here. On the back, it says it in different languages. Certificate of authenticity guarantees your Saint Laurent product against all manufacturing defects. So you have your authenticity card here. And lastly, it's this card which shows what it is. So this is a YSL. This is actually a 2019 model. It's a YSL pouch monogram. So that's what it is, and it says it here. I don't know if you guys. Let me show you guys. Let me stand up so I can show it to you. Here you guys can see it. It's super pretty. You can just, if you're going on a night out, you can have it like this. You can wear it like this. You can slip it in your bag. You guys can see, like, I could just slip it. I could just slip it in here perfectly and I'm good to go. It's super thin, which I love about it. So thin, so nice. Let me try to get my other wallet and see what I can put in here. I used it when we went out to dinner in North Carolina last week during Christmas. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know any other videos you guys would like to see, and let me know if you guys like these small leather good luxury purchases. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video.